Japan's exports plunged 2.6% in July, marking the steepest drop in over 4 years, while imports also fell 7.5%, leaving a trade deficit of 117.5 billion yen. The decline comes less than a week after GDP data showed the economy had grown faster than expected in the second quarter of 2025. Analysts say US tariffs are beginning to bite, testing the resilience of a nation long accustomed to stagnation. Japan's first quarter growth revision from 0.1 to 0.3% confirms the economy had entered 2025 on stronger footing. On a year-over-year basis, GDP expanded 1.2% in April to June, down from 1.8% in the first 3 months of the year. Exports contributed 0.3 percentage points to growth, a sharp rebound from the 0.8 point drag in the first quarter. Despite the robust GDP numbers, Japan's exports continue to face headwinds. The July decline marks the third consecutive monthly fall, even as shipment volumes remain steady. Imports also dropped, contributing to a 117.5 billion yen deficit. Analysts caution that while the economy shows pockets of resilience, the decline in export value signals the growing impact of US tariffs. For a nation long overshadowed by stagnation, even modest growth amid global pressures is being viewed as a cautiously positive sign.
I think it's better to start raising interest rates early. It's important for the Bank of Japan to send a message that Japan is extracting itself from an environment where real interest rates are negative and return to a world of proper rates. The Bank of Japan should raise interest rates while the government restores fiscal discipline and reconstruction under a new accord that replaces Abenomics. I think that shifting the yen from its current weak position to a stronger one is the most effective measure to combat inflation.
Resilient domestic demand, solid capital investment, and cautious trade diplomacy give policymakers room to consider monetary tightening later this year. However, economists warn that Japan's growth remains fragile and heavily reliant on exports. The coming months will test whether the economy can maintain momentum as US tariffs and global uncertainties continue to weigh. Diptanshu Kashyap's report for the Economic Brief, DD India.